Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn severe weather alerts on or off on iPhone. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to the weather app, and after that you have to swipe down like to see the weather of like your place if you want to do it. And after that you have to click on the icon on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. Go and click on notifications. And after that, as you can see, there is that severe weather option. You can deactivate it like that or activate it like that. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.